Does the keto diet really work the fastest? Here's what you need to know. It is a way to a wholesome lifestyle. Being on a keto diet is an all-new lifestyle choice altogether. That's mainly because it takes away your chance to oscillate between numerous diets or platters and will keep you on one path. It essentially involves a way of eating and consuming protein and ditching carbs. You cannot just do it for a week or two. For successful results, you have to stick to it and only eat very restrictively. It will affect your metabolism. It is true that a keto diet, especially if you've been on it long enough, can affect or change your metabolism process. But that's for the good of your system. By eliminating carbs totally, the diet trains your body to create energy not from carbs but from proteins. Quite often a person gains weight during the first few weeks of the diet, but that is normal as it gets more consistent over time. It is time-consuming. Keto requires your full commitment and you probably need to create a calendar for that. Keep in mind that the more time you can spare to commit to the diet, the faster the diet works. It is essentially an expansive diet, which is why it affects other aspects of your life. Also remember that don't go for fast and random weight loss if you're on a keto diet. That is never healthy. Aim for a steady and consistent weight loss experience which will set up a pace for your body. But never strive for a dramatic commercial-style weight loss. It can be perfect for you. A keto responds to your body and the changes that it's making, and you'll be able to feel the changes in your system. You will stop craving carbs and you will want to eat healthy, and that's how you know the keto is working. A successful ketosis is different for everyone, and it is very important that you understand your body and its needs. Experts agree that the diet also helps you be more in sync with your own bodily functions. The keto flu is real. Yes, you do acquire a sickness at the very beginning of the diet. A flu-like ailment which will make you lethargic and you will feel sick and sleepy. This mainly happens as your body completely stops burning fats from carbs, as you are not consuming any carbs. The fever is a sign that the diet is working. The body tries to fit in with the new system and it leads to nausea or minor headaches. You also get dehydrated and feel drained out, which is why you will need to keep yourself hydrated. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.